Hey, what's up? I'll turn that off. Another thing on which I would like to make a video, if I can. I don't know how this is going to work out, but I'd like to make a video on folding a fitted sheet. It's because I think I still have a favorite video that's like that. I think, let's see, what is even the wrong side in here anyway? I think, because there was a time when I really struggled with this, and I would like to make a video on it. I'm kind of doing laundry, and if I could ever get it right, basically what you're going to do, I mean, let's see, I don't even know if my sister can do this. The trick is to get it on the wrong side, I think, first, and what you're going to do is to get it, match up the corners like this, like you're putting it in a sock of sorts. And it doesn't really matter, I don't think, which side you do first. So right here, you have this. It's the easiest thing in the world if you can figure out how to do it. You put this like this, okay? And you do the same thing on the other side, okay? You gotta find the corners, that's a trick. Find those corners. Corner, let's see. And another corner. Let's see, got that. Finding those corners, and really if something could hold it for you, that would be better. Find all four corners and stick them inside of each other like this, okay? And so here you basically have it like this and like this, like this and like this, okay? And with all four corners at your fingertips, literally, you're going to try to do the same thing. Well, you have all four of them in one finger, okay? So now you have it like this. You have all four corners in one finger. And then from there, you can just fold it like it's an ordinary flat sheet, like this, and like this. If only I had more surfaces in here to lay it down on. Just to kind of get the drift. You kind of get my drift. Okay. Like that. And if I might have to drape it over this. And like that. Let's see. See how you got it like that. And then this side is all neat. But then the end result is something like this when it's all together, and then like this. And then like this, like it's one big fat pillow. And then it can be joined by the flat sheet and the pillowcases that go with it. See? All nice and neat, ready to be put away. I don't know if I've ever seen my sister do that.